Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we're going to learn how to download fifth third mobile banking application on a device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, if you are an iOS user, open up App Store, or if you are an Android user, open up Play Store on your device. Now at the search bar, type in FIFTS fifth THIRD and now click on search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this icon. Now click on get. You need to verify with your Face ID, fingerprint or and passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. Now click and open to use the application. And now you can enjoy your application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.